We get to call them prior to closing, tell them that, hey, listen, your original rate that you locked into, we're going to get you something better. Hey guys, Steve Zalunardo here with Remax West Zalunardo Associates. Happy Tuesday morning and happy Canada's Day. We had an amazing weekend, and what an amazing country we live in. I think, just we get to be blessed every day to be living in this country. I think being born here, I always say this, we're spoiled, we don't know the difference, but people immigrating to this country, when they wake up in Canada, it's definitely joyful for them. So let's appreciate that a little bit more. We're only 152 years old, imagine that. We're still a baby in the world's eyes, but I mean, ultimately, it is setting up to be one of the best places to live in the world, which is cool. We'll go into real estate, talking about inventory right now. We're at 19,528 units. We're about 1,000 lower than I reported a couple weeks back. So what's happening now is we've got a lower interest rate right now, with the banks offering lower interest rates, which is creating a surge in the market where buyers are snapping up properties at lower rates. Good news is we have a few clients right now closing, and we get to call them prior to closing, tell them that, hey, listen, your original rate that you locked into, we're going to get you something better. I mean, those are the best calls to make. They're so positive. So, clients that were locking in at 3.5% prior to, let's say, this month here, we're getting them down into 2.99% and 2.8%. And if they get into like a variable, it's even lower than that. But let's just talk about fixed rates. So that's amazing for clients because, 0.5% on $500,000-$600,000 mortgage is a substantial amount of money per year. We just got to be cautious also with the inventory because we are at 19,500 units, 1,000 lower than what we reported in the past. You got to look at Kleinburg ourselves here, like this is where I'm based out of. It's a little hamlet community in Vaughan. And in March, we had about 50 listings currently listed throughout Kleinburg. Now we're about 93, so double the inventory in our little community. And only 5 of those properties are towns and semi-detaches, so that means about 86 to 87 of these properties are all detaches. So heavy inventory here in the hamlet community of Kleinburg. And talking about our goals, we met our mid-year goals, which is amazing. That's fantastic. We kind of just coasted in and did business as usual. Very aggressive in the beginning. Now we're starting to cool down a bit. But coming back into this week, we've got to get really aggressive with properties on pricing, and because we have about 10 or 11 listings listed right now currently, and we have to look at pricing, why they're not selling. So this is some in-depth review today, and a few buyers that are in queue right now ready to buy. I know we closed a deal last night. I closed a deal on Friday or Thursday of last week, which was really great, really good buy, good purchase here in Kleinburg. And that's it. Let's get aggressive. Let's get an amazing summer week going here. And also for landlords, today is the 2nd of the month. If you didn't have an opportunity to deposit your rental checks, today's a good day. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.